Got him. Oh, it's a little, oh, it's a perch. That was a little walleye. On the board, no skunk. Little 6.5 inch, maybe 7-inch perch. All right. Bye. There's a nice mark. Oh, rats. Oh, might be coming back. Oh yeah. There we go. Here's a good fish. Oh yeah. Bingo. That's what we want. Beautiful. Oh, he's hooked good. This is beautiful. Beautiful Fox River walleye right there. Hell yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday. There's fish down there. Oh my gosh. Oh, covered. Oh my god, bro, you're sitting on me. Oh, shoot. Alright, it is. Oh, wait, JK, there's another fish on me. Bro, we are in the power hour right now, dude. This is crazy. Stop it. Alright, where was I? Sunday, January 18th. Ice fishing the Fox River in DePere. There is not a lot of fishable real estate out here. A week ago there was still ice, but then it got warm. Oh my god, more fish. It got really warm this past week. It's cold as heck out right now. It's like 6 degrees, but definitely gonna take a little while to like rebuild the ice out here. But so yeah, out here in like 8.5 feet of water, marking fish. I'm not a very good walleye fisherman, but we're doing all right today. So thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the video. Oh, I just got hit. Oh, he came off. Oh, I did nothing. Wow, I was just sitting there. That was nuts. Sitting on my phone and something just slammed me. That'll teach me for sitting on my phone. Oh, he's back. Got him. Oh yeah, dude, here's a good fish. Okay, not that good, but there we go. It's a good little walleye. I don't know, 14, 15 inches. I have to measure them. $13.5. It's not a bad one. Let's send this guy back. Yeah. All right. This is not a bad walleye. 13.5. Guy could keep that, but we'll send this guy back. Oh, buddy. There you go. Bye, buddy. We'll catch him when he's bigger. I'll show you what I'm using. Same as my last video. This is a number 2 jigging wrap. I think it's a number 2. It's pretty small. And then a minnow head on there. Gotta be like, oh yeah, perch. It's gotta be freaking perch. Got him. Yeah. Dink. Oh, oh, dude, look at that little baby walleye. Oh my gosh. That's nuts. That's nuts right there. Oh my god, dude, I was not too far off when I said I thought they were perched. Look at this thing. What the frick? Is he 8 inches? Bye, buddy. Grow up big and tall. Oh, here we go. Come on. Oh, come on. There's one. Got him. It's alright. It's alright. Good future. Long skinny guys. Jeez. Bye. There we go. Yeah, a bunch of these little ones. Alright. Bye. Gone. Really? Oh, he's back. There we go. This one's better. Oh, a little bit better. A little bit. A little bit better. Heck yeah. Solid 10-incher. Bye. Alright, this is walleye number 8. Figure it out, dude. Good job. Oh, really? Really? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Ended up with 8 walleyes. Only 2 decent ones, the rest were all tiny. 1 perch, and that's it. This is right there. I'll take that guy home. I don't know what he was, 18 and a half. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.